How to watch Faceit demo CS2 in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just try to jump into the video. So first of all, you need to open a web browser and search for faceit.com and log into your account. And after logging in, you'll come to the official dashboard of Faceit, and you just have to simply click on your profile, and under that you can see the VS option. You just have to click on VS, and as I have not played any match, so it's showing no matches yet. So for you, you just have to click on the watch demo from clicking on the match from here, and after that, at the center of the match page to download the file, you can just click on watch demo, and the demos are compressed, and you will need software like WinRAR to decompress the file. So after that, you have to locate the folder where you saved the demo, right click on it and select open with WinRAR, and after that you have to extract to a specific folder, and then you have to open your copy of CS2 and access the console using your designated key binding if you haven't set a key binding for this. So for that, go to your control and assign one, and in the console type you have to play demo, name of demo and presenter, this commented load and the demo for you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.